Hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to show you a couple of the necklace sets that I did with the beads that I got from Michael's. I actually sat down and neglected to turn on the camera to videotape when I made these. So you can see this necklace is where I made with these with those big glass stones. I think this came out really pretty. And I might even go get more of these glass beads because I like the way this turned out. And then there's a lot of different ideas I could think to do with these beads. In addition to that, I went ahead and added those beads onto the necklace. So when it only came with 4 beads, so I said, okay, well, if I put 2 beads on here plus make a pendant covered with the wire, that only left me like 1 bead, and I like these beads, so I'm gonna probably go to Michael's. If not tomorrow, Saturday, it'll be Sunday after worship service. So that's one set, and then those are those big wood beads with some of those glass beads right there. So I think that came out pretty good. And then those big metal beads, some more wood beads, some shells, some other goodies on there. But that came out pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Remember I did the video with those $5 necklaces, and I bought the necklace trays. Let me see in the camera. I bought those necklace trays and I filled them with the beads. So this is one of the trays that I used. So that's one of the necklaces with some coconut shells. And then those natural beads I got from Michael's, glass beads, that black onyx bead, and that other little plastic bead right here. I think those are really pretty. I wouldn't use these a lot though because they're so pronounced. I mean, they're very detailed beads and they're very colorful. So I wouldn't use these very much. I would use these, just kind of here and there like what I did on this necklace. So then I got some those regular small, not small, but I think these are 8mm or 9mm wood beads. And then we got a pair of earrings, gold tone wire with a natural bead. These are pretty, very pretty. And I cannot wait to get out and start selling. Oh my God. And that's the thing with that too, is just trying to make sure to have enough inventory. It's almost like when you invest in stocks. If you invest in stocks, you'll know when it's all red, that's a time to go shopping. That's a time when you buy during the dips. That's like right now during the COVID situation, it's not completely cleared up. And then if you think back for the last year, to me, that's been what I call dip time. Dip time in the sense to create. And by the time I get out there to start selling that, all these different events, I'm going to have hopefully more than enough inventory. I mean, just absolutely just, and I cannot wait. Man, I can't wait to get out there. I'm going to order a couple more of these, the necklace displays. And I think I'm going to get them in a different color, maybe white or turquoise. But I do know I want them in another color. Black is pretty good, but I know on like a white color or brighter colors, the jewelry shines or looks, more vivid. You can really see it. But these came out pretty good. I like them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. I think the next videos I'll try to remember to turn on the camera and do video, because sometimes I'll come in here and I'll sit at my work table and you guys know how it goes. You would just start creating and don't even think about the camera, especially if it's not set up. Right? If it's not set up, I'm not even thinking about it. But I was doing pretty good at first, so I'm gonna try to stick to setting it up and doing what needs to be done so I can keep the videos on here. All right, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for being a subscriber, and if you're not a subscriber, we invite you to join us. All righty, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, then hit all, and you will become a part of our little community.